In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to back up your WordPress website to the cloud with the free WpVivid plugin. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your WordPress website and open the dashboard. Now, under Plugins in the menu, click on Add New. In the search field, write WpVivid, and click Enter. The first plugin you see in the results should be the right one. But to be sure, you could verify this by looking at who made the plugin. It should be made by WpVivid team. Click on the Install Now button, and then activate the plugin. You should now be taken to the WpVivid options window. Here, the first thing you need to do is to set up the cloud storage where you want to store your backups. In this video I will use Google Drive to store the automatic backups, but the free version of the WpVivid plugin supports most of the most popular cloud storage solutions. If you upgrade to the Pro version of the WpVivid plugin, you will also get support for Wasabi, pCloud and Backblaze, and more are coming soon. The next thing you will see is a window telling you to log into Google Drive. In other cloud services this window will look different, but it will mostly behave the same way. Log in with your email and password for your cloud storage account. Next, you will probably see a window asking you for permission to connect your cloud storage account to WpVivid. Click on the button to allow permissions. When your storage service is successfully connected to WpVivid, you will be taken back to the WpVivid settings for your chosen cloud storage. Go to the name field and write a name to identify your cloud storage settings. Now, click on the Add New button. You can now see that your cloud storage has been successfully stored in WpVivid. Next, I would recommend that you set up a schedule for automatic backups. That way you will always have a recent backup, if anything critical were to happen to your website. Click on the Enable Backup Schedule checkbox to enable automatic backups. Now, choose the frequency of your automated backups. Weekly backups is recommended for most websites that don't publish or make changes too often. Now choose what you want to include in your backup file. Database plus files is recommended in most cases. Next, click on Send Backups to Remote Storage, and make sure that the icon of your chosen cloud storage is in color. Now, click on the Save Changes button to save your schedule. Now it's smart to make a first backup manually. To do this, click on the Backup and Restore tab. Choose what to back up, and remember to choose Send to Remote Storage. Then click on the Backup Now button. Now just wait for your backup to finish. When your backup is finished, scroll down to see your backup log. Here you have the option to download or restore your backups. Remember that it is always smart to have backups in more than one location. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you clicked on the like button. It really does help me to be able to make more videos like this.